OH at 413 Kelvin, H2SO4, 2 for CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. This dehydration process, this is for preparation of symmetrical ether. Symmetrical ether. It is for symmetrical ether. Okay. For symmetrical ether. So symmetrical ether, why it is only for the symmetrical ether? Because we are taking the one type of solution, suppose ethanol or methanol. We are not taking the mixture. We are taking the one type of solution with concentrated sulfuric acid. Then at the temperature of 13 Kelvin, we will prepare the ether. Okay. If you take the mixture of alcohol, suppose ethanol and methanol both in presence of 413 Kelvin and H2SO4, then some mixture of, that is your symmetrical and unsymmetrical, again which is difficult to separate, like your in that the process, in which process that is a symmetrical, that is in alkene, this is a symmetrical. Okay, then next, Williamson synthesis, when alkyl halide treated with sodium ethoxide, R and R base may or may not equal. Clear? To form, you see, NH remove, R, O, R base. R and R dash may be same, may not be same. Plus NH. Okay. So these are the two processes. Then go to this process. First one, this process. Then next we'll discuss the Williamson process. First will the mechanism of this process. Mechanism. Step 1. Protonation. Protonated alcohol. Protonation. Protonated alcohol. CH3CH2OH plus H plus. There is one there. You know, all mechanisms are similar. CH3, CH2, plus more electronegative element is positive. So it will quickly accept the electron to form the carbocation. And again alcohol, CH3, that is step 2. That is an addition of carbocation. Okay, that is CH3CH2 OH2 plus, okay, plus again CH3, another alcohol, CH2OH. Okay, this bond will be absorbed by the oxygen. This carbon will be positive. Again this oxygen, this carbon positive, this oxygen. Okay, connect here. Water will be removed. Then what will happen? CH3, CH2 bond O, H bond, CH2, CH3. Okay, so this one positive. Then step 3, removal of or deprotonation, removal of proton. Removal of proton. Then this one, CH2, O, H, positive, CH2, CH3. This bond will be absorbed by the oxygen because more electronegative element now is positive, so it will absorb the weakest bond, that is your OH bond, to form ether, CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3 plus plus. So this is the mechanism of formation of ether from alcohol. It is, you see the symmetrical, but yes, that in Wurtz reaction. In Wurtz reaction, only the even number of carbon atom, higher alkane, can be formed. We have discussed why even number of carbon compound form, hydrocarbon form in the process of Wurtz reaction. Similarly, here the only symmetrical ether will be formed because only one type of compound we are taking, so it will be symmetrical. If you take the mixture of compounds, suppose ethanol and methanol along with the reservoir, what is that condition? Okay, then the mixture of ether will be formed which can not easily separate. So it is difficult to prepare the unsymmetrical ether in this method. Which method? The first method, dehydration. This one, dehydration. Then in second, there is a Williamson synthesis. What do you mean by the Williamson synthesis? We'll discuss. Then in Williamson synthesis, these are the two processes of preparation of there is a ether. So in Williamson synthesis, next we will discuss the Williamson synthesis. Okay, you see. Williamson synthesis is here, that is your RH plus NaO R dash to form R, NH will be removed, RO R dash plus NaS. Clear? So for three, there is three cases. First case 1. Okay, we will write it here. Case 1 for primary alkyl halide case 2 for secondary alkyl halide and case 3 for tertiary alkyl halides. For primary alkyl halide, we will take one example of ether. Okay, suppose primary alkyl halide is your CH3 Br. CH3 Br plus, suppose ether, take one example, we will take the first side, no problem. Only it is for primary alkyl halide. Then this is your CH3 C, CH3 CH3 O, CH3 R O R. Okay, so it will go through the SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction. It will go through the SN2 reaction. That is this one, this part. Okay, this part will act as nucleophile. You see this part. It acts as nucleophile. Here is the lone pair. Okay, and leaving group attacking at carbon. So SN2 reaction, less steric hindrance. Primary alkyl halide having the less steric hindrance, so it is goes for the SN2 reaction. So nucleophile attacking simultaneously leaving group. Here to form CH3 C, CH3 CH3 O. Students, this is your sodium or not? Sodium alkoxide. So here it will be formed O CH3 plus NaBr, sodium bromide. This is your nucleophile, Na plus, this one minus. Okay, this one is your nucleophile and Na plus and Br minus. NaBr, CH3. Similarly, for secondary and tertiary, These are elimination reaction compete over nucleophilic substitution reaction. Means there will be the elimination reaction takes place. Why it is called elimination reaction takes place? You see, suppose tertiary and prime CH3, CH3, CH3. Suppose we will take any alkyl halide, suppose Br, okay, Br plus NaOCH3, RONA. Then here it will be no NaBr and one H and O. One H, removal of one H, then it will form the double bond alkene. Then O, CH3OH. It will form CH3OH plus NaBr plus CH3C double bond CH2 alkene. And salt. So, why it is elimination reaction? It is for removal of small molecule sodium bromide and formation of alkene. But in case of there is formation of ether. So, why it is so? Because there is, you see, there is steric hindrance. So there is no SN2 reaction, possibility of SN2 reaction after removal of sodium bromide. Then tertiary carbocation is more stable. So that carbon C plus, it will absorb one hydrogen, this one. Suppose CH2 and H. Then this one will be absorbed by the carbon, then it will be plus, then negative, OH minus, then that negative goes to form the double bond. Okay. Similarly for secondary, to do the secondary case, this one is a tertiary. Okay. Case for the tertiary. Similarly for the secondary, you can take CH3, C, that is your Br, that is your H, that is your CH3 plus NaOCH3. Okay. So these are all about the aliphatic. So for aromatic phenol, to prepare the aromatic ether, first phenol prepared with, that is that is sodium hydroxide to form sodium phenoxide. Then sodium phenoxide is treated with alkyl halide. Phenol treated with sodium hydroxide to form sodium phenoxide ONA. Okay. Then there is a minus H2 again in presence of RH. NH to form OR. Minus NH. Okay. So these are all about the preparation of ether. This is the aromatic ether. Then according to the ether, that is aliphatic, aromatic, we will now discuss the physical properties. Physical properties, ethers are soluble in water due to the formation of hydrogen bond with water. Then next is your chemical properties of ether, we will discuss in next class. Okay, so you go through the preparation of ether. Ether is also important. Then mechanism, that is ether, formation of ether from alcohol. Okay, that mechanism is important. You go through that mechanism, 3 steps of mechanism in previous examination, in 2020 examination, board examination, in all 3 sets. Okay, that preparation of alcohol from alkene. Okay, alcohol from alkene. Then formation of alkene from dehydration, alkene from alcohol. Then this one, all these 3 sets are containing these three mechanisms of 3 watts. So you go